O bakit naman? Kakanta tayo. Sampung mga daliri, paa at kamay, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda, malilinis na ipin, masarap kumain, dilang maliit, nagsasabi, huwag sinungaling. Ano pa ang gusto mo? Ano pa yung gusto? Ha? Ano pa yung gusto? Hindi na tayo kakanta? Ano yung gusto? Paa, tuhod, balik, ulo. Paa, tuhod, balik at ulo. Ano ba gusto mo? Ano pa? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know why, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Yeah. Ano pang kakantahin natin? Ha? Bahay, kubo, bali. Right. Dito tayo, magbasa na lang tayo ng books. Nakita mo si Winnie the Pooh. Si Winnie the Pooh at ang kanyang friend. O, see? Nakita mo? See? Winnie the Pooh, bedtime humables. Nakita mo ang picture? Yan, ang picture. Yan. See? Yan, naghahag sila. Ayan. At si Winnie the Pooh, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, baby. Yan, the sleepover. Poor Piglet couldn't sleep, so Pooh began to sing a sleeping hymn. Sleeping hymn. See? I'm tuck in bed, all snuggled tight, where things are always cuddled right. See? Oh. Tingnan mo muna yung picture. Did you see the picture? See? Oh. Sweet dreams will come to me tonight. And soon will come the morning light. Snuzzle tea pie. Want to hum along this time? Piglet asked Pooh Piglets. But Piglets was fast asleep. Oh, natulog na. Mas nauna pa kay Pooh. Ayan, see? See? You like it? Gusto mo ba yan? See? Winnie the Pooh. Ayan. Gusto mo ba siya? Ha, Biana? Alright, gusto mo pala siya. Oh. Babasahin ba natin ulit? Ayan. Gusto mo pala si Winnie the Pooh. Ayan siya. Oh. Si Winnie the Pooh. Ayan. O, babasahin na natin. Basahin na natin ulit. Gusto mo ba? See? Oh. Nakita mo? Ayan. Dahil gusto mo lang yung cover, Gusto mo lang tingnan si Winnie the Pooh. Ang ating title, Winnie the Pooh, Bedtime Humables. Hemables. And then, ayan, si Piglet ay mas naunang matulog dahil binasahan na ng story. At ikaw, dapat mag-sleep na rin. Alright. O, sige. Tomorrow, we will finish our bedtime story about Winnie the Pooh. Yan. See? Gustong-gusto mo lang si Winnie the Pooh. Okay. Good night. Bye.